In this video, we will share how to use onboard monitoring service on Hike Connect for Teams app. Go to the home page and tap on Vehicle Monitoring. Tap Online Vehicles. Select the target area and vehicle. And then tap Location. Go to Located Vehicles and tap on Vehicle Information. Tap Two-Way Audio, and then you can start talking to the driver. You can tap End to end the conversation. Tap the Track button to track the real-time movement of the vehicle on the map. Tap More to expand the action bar. Tap the Alarm Output Control button to turn the alarm output on or off. You can add vehicles to favorites or remove them by tapping here. Go to the application and tap on Vehicle Reports. You can see a leaderboard of the vehicle's data for different driving types. You can also choose the valid time interval and the sorting method. First, select the vehicle data type and then tap Report at the bottom. Daily, weekly and monthly reports can be generated by selecting the corresponding vehicles. You can also filter the data by speed. Go to Notification. Tap on an alarm event in the view list to view photos and videos. If the alarm is correct, you can tap Acknowledge and edit the note information. Hike Connect for Teams. Connected security, ready to go.